Are these your burning questions about MathPar's Tube Mastery and Monetization course? Who is MathPar? Does he qualify to teach you anything about making money on YouTube? Is this course a scam or legit? What is this course about? Is it one of the best YouTube monetization courses available? How does it work? Is it suitable for beginners? Can experienced YouTubers gain from this course? Is it a worth investment? Can you make money with this course? How much does it cost? Are there any hidden costs? Is it refundable? What are the pros and cons? Are there any real reviews of this course from those who already attended this course? Here are the answers that will help you make a well-informed decision before enrolling this course. Who is MathPar? Is he really qualified to teach you anything about making money on YouTube? Now, MathPar started his first YouTube channel when he was just 14 years old. Today, he owns multiple channels which earns him 6 figures of passive income. One of his channels, Make Money Math, has over 150,000 subscribers. Through Tube Mastery and Monetization, you get a sight, or rather, a peek inside Math's thoughts, and learn how he makes lots of money by monetizing his channel. Is Tube Mastery and Monetization course a scam or legit? No, scams usually create a fake owner persona to create a connection with you. Tube Mastery and Monetization course has a real owner. MathPar is a legitimate and known YouTube entrepreneur, and so is his course. It is designed to show you how to start earning with YouTube. The most important parts of starting a YouTube channel have been covered with his course. In other words, it is a complete course, and it teaches legitimate and workable methods. When learning how to make money online, you have to learn from experts. While going through this course, I learned a lot from him, which made me believe that this young man is definitely not some random guru or a scam artist. I believe those who claim it is a scam, either they did not attend this course or do not have sufficient knowledge of this course. The bottom line is, this program is not a scam and is 100% recommended. Is it suitable for beginners? Can experienced YouTubers gain from this course? It is suitable for those who are new to YouTubing and those who are considering doing it professionally. You can learn how to run your channels in the most efficient way possible. Even if you currently have a well-developed channel, this course will assist you in scaling it. Now keep watching this review if you would like to know if this course is worth it and monetizable. Is math course a worth investment? Can you make money with this course? It is pricey, but it is within reach. Considering how much you can make if you implement what he teaches in his course, it's quite likely that you will make your money back easily. So don't be hesitant. This training offers excellent value for money, and spending your hard-earned money on it is well worth it. So what is this course about? Is it one of the best YouTube monetization course? How does it work? The main idea behind this course is to show you how to choose a narrow niche, create content, and upload it to YouTube properly so you get rankings and traffic. You will, therefore, by applying these principles, have the knowledge required to run your channel successfully and make money of it. It could be the perfect course for people who like the idea of making money on YouTube but are shy to show their face. There are a few techniques that you can use to rank videos on YouTube without having to show your face. MathPar is going to lead you through this process step by step through the training modules. Each module is in a video format. It is easy to follow and full of good content. Here's the content summary. Firstly, there is a welcome message on how to use this course and a general introduction. And this is followed by the overview of this method, including blueprint, case study, as well as checklist. It discusses about choosing a niche and planning your content, uploading 33 videos to gain the traction, outsourcing the work to scale up your business. The next module is on choosing your niche, including ways of going about YouTube, the best high CPM niches, doing market research. And as a bonus in this module, you'll get a list of 100 plus profitable niches. Next module, setting up your YouTube channel for success. The 33 rule and how to use it. The best YouTube tool ever made. Math's secret SEO keyword process. Planning your content strategy. The next module, generating, uploading, and optimizing videos. How to systemize your videos. Where to find free content. How to edit videos for free. Create a high click-through rate thumbnails. The next module, grow and monetize your YouTube channel. Understanding YouTube analytics and algorithm. How to go viral with your videos as well as when to upload them on YouTube. How to make more money than most YouTubers. The many ways of monetizing your channel other than ads. Math's personal favorite way of making money utilizing YouTube. The last module is on scaling your income via outsourcing. After the success of your first channel, you might be interested in scaling up. Learn time-tested and proven ways of scaling your channels and growing. Math himself has outsourced several of his channels, so he could focus in managing his business through strategizing it and scaling it. It has useful bonuses like video script templates and examples of useful niches. These are very valuable information. Now, how are you going to approach this courses? You can either start by watching all of the videos at one go and then apply what you have learned to your channel. Or you can watch each video and apply it to your YouTube channel step by step. There is also the express version of this training. Okay, so it can help you jumpstart into the course right away. Now, for me, what I did is I watched through all the videos first, and then I used the express version to jumpstart into the course. Now, keep watching this video if you would like to know the discounted price, the pros and cons, as well as other real reviews from those who attended it. Pricing. As of this time of publishing, you'll have to pay about $500 for all of this information plus the value-added tax. There is also an option to split it into 3 payments. However, it is better to opt for a lump sum payment in order to enjoy the savings. This course can be quite expensive for some. However, when you compare it to other similar courses and the benefit you will receive, the pricing appears to be a steal. There is also no upsell, so it is a one-time payment. Another good news is that you have 2 months, a good 60 days to see if it is the right investment or not, or else he will give you a full refund without asking a single question. That said, do keep watching, as you will not want to miss out more useful information, including the pros and the cons. Let me start right up with the pros first. The course strategizes in earning long-term passive income. Math focuses on helping you to follow his success and avoid mistakes that have cost him a lot of time and money. Please note that this course is not for people who are not ready to work hard and invest in building a successful online business. Math is not flashing you with his earnings screenshot, nor he give you any unrealistic promises about making tons of cash overnight with this course. He reveals the content of his course before he asks you to enroll. There is a 60-day risk-free risk which I mentioned earlier. He will refund you without any question asked if you decide to withdraw from this course. This course is comprehensive, organized, and structured. Now, the course seems to be covering all the essential steps to succeed with YouTube. Most importantly, the course is based on a proven blueprint that Math Par is still using to create YouTube channels and to make money from each channel that he makes. Moreover, the course is straight on point and designed to help you to avoid beginners' mistakes. Next, there's no upsell. It's a one-time payment. You do not need to pay more and more for more in-depth information. It's just a one-time payment. There's also an instant access to his mastermind group. So this is a Facebook group. Math has created a community within his course where he and other members hang out and help each other in any way they can. It's a good thing that he is going to be available. You can reach out and ask him questions. Tube channel case studies. There are several case studies of different channels are being shared. And you can choose any of it as reference points to start your channel. Bonuses. You get a list of 100 over profitable niches. This list was created by Matt himself. Fill in the blank video script templates to get you started. All this available information. Please take a moment to like and subscribe for more useful content in the future. Let's move on to the cons. The course price may not be affordable to everyone. You can always watch Matt's free videos on his Make Money Math channel or other YouTubers' contents without paying for it. However, if you want a comprehensive and proven system, do regard math course as an investment. Considering how much you can make if you implement what he teaches in his course, it's quite likely that you will make back your money in no time. On the bright side, the course price tag was about $1,000 a few months ago. In the meantime, the price dropped to $497. And who knows, maybe it will go down further in the future. Outsourcing requires money. If you do not have the extra spare cash, this option is not viable. Matt did not reveal any of his 9 niche channels. He explained it might invite the wrong viewers into his channels, impact the YouTube algorithm, and ended hurting his channels. So if you're expecting him to review his channel, it's not going to happen. And I know you'll be disappointed, right? Too overwhelming of information. There are many lessons, topics, and subtopics in a course. It can be very overwhelming for a beginner, so be sure to take time to digest and understand at your pace. The good thing is that they are ready FAQ, case studies, and cheat sheets, as well as private Facebook to help you understand better. If your native language is not English, you might struggle a bit as you speak quite fast, so be sure to adjust the speed setting and you should be good to go. It takes a lot of time and effort to set up everything and to get results. If you're a newbie, a lot of these things will be brand new to you, so it may take a few months to pick up all the information before you can get this started. Are there any real review of Tube Mastery and Monetization program? Math course has received a lot of positive feedback from his students, including myself who took up this course. Feel free to click on the link in the description box below to check his sales page for more testimonials. So do I recommend Tube Mastery and Monetization course? YouTube is a popular and one of the fastest way to earn an income online, and math course is an awesome package. It's actually one of the few best courses in this niche that I've seen so far, and I highly recommend it. Moreover, Matt himself is an expert on this topic, and if you follow the lesson through, he could lead you to success. One of the best features of this offer is the money-back guarantee. It's practically a risk-free investment. That said, thanks for watching my review. I hope this information has helped you to make a well-informed decision. If you'd like to know more or sign up for this course, please refer to the link in the description box below. And one last thing. If YouTube is not your cup of tea, but you like the idea of making money online, watch the next video on other great passive income ideas. You get everything that you need to make money online. See you in the next video. Please subscribe so it can help my channel to create more useful content to you in the future. Thank you very much.